Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
This is leftover pasta and meatballs, spaghetti and meatballs. We got a couple of cheeses. Got some olive oil, put this together. We're gonna use the salsa. That's crazy. All in a nice burrito. Mike Foster here. Today it's another leftover recipe. I got a bunch of them. Got all kinds of recipes, all kind of videos at Live Life 365 on all my socials. How you doing? Today it's leftover spaghetti and meatballs. You could just heat it up. I'm making a burrito with it. Check it out. I cut the meatballs like this, and we're gonna smash them like this. You see that? Yeah. So get these all smashed. We're gonna fry these up, make a little concoction and put it inside a burrito. Now we're taking this pasta and just gonna chop it up. You see all that? I'm converting the spaghetti into something else. All right, I'll meet you over at the stove. All right, we got a medium pan, olive oil down. Here are those meatballs and the pasta that I just chopped up. All right, let's mix this up. We're just gonna warm this up. All right, I'm adding some Parmesan Romano on here. All right, that should be enough. Yeah, let's mix that up. Add olive oil as you go to make sure it doesn't stick. Then I'm gonna add a little of this cheese. This is a blended cheese. All right, it's on medium. Mix all this up. Here's where it gets crazy. Gonna add a little salsa to this. If you don't want it to have a spicy salsa flavor, you can just add a little chopped tomatoes. And we're gonna finish this up. I'm mixing this up. I'll meet you at the counter in a minute and put this leftover spaghetti and meatball burrito together. All right, this is a warmed up tortilla. Here's that concoction we put together. Leftover spaghetti and meatballs with a little salsa and cheese. A little more salsa on top. Well, let's bring this up like this and finish the roll like this. There it is. That's a close-up. Big bite coming up. There it is. You can't see anything till I take a big bite into it. All right. That is amazing. You still can taste the spaghetti. You get a few tastes of those meatballs, but the extra cheese and the salsa takes it to the top. It's exploding. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a sweet babu. One of the most delicious things I ever made out of leftovers. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and on my socials. I have so many different playlists. Check them all out. Until next time, peace. What the heck is going on?
Live life 365.
I'm not kidding. We're gonna, oh no, we're not done yet. Now, the Italians would go crazy over this recipe, but it's crazy. I'm not kidding. That looks gorgeous. Is it crazy? I think it is. Let's do that. It's the end of the world as we know it. Bye-bye.